No? Okay. So now you look at it and say, hey, listen, I can't find anything on that. But what I found is a review of critical articles on blockchain acceptance model or perceptions of this or something like that, right? Now, even better would be the factors affecting adaptability of cryptocurrency, investigating adoption factors. So this is giving you themes as well, right? Dhiren? Right. So there we go. You also can look for articles in Google Scholar. So you go to Google Scholar. You know the site scholar.google.com, Arista?
Yes, I do.
Great. So you paste that in and you go and search for the article. Right. So if you can't find the article, you make it, you start removing, maybe by, or you remove the journal article and the date and you click on enter. There we go. See how many I found here, right? Behavioral, cryptocurrency technology, cryptocurrency adoption. Do you know how to use the Google in terms of customer range?
Yes, I do.
Great. So you say since 2019, right? So that narrows your search down a little. If that doesn't work, you go and put in the author's name, right? Control V, you put down the author's name, and that'll help you there. Right, so Dhiren, there's 10 articles there. You take 5 and she takes 5, right? Or you get the wife to take another 2 or 3 or whatever, right? So you start looking. Now, because it's just 2 pages, you need to sift to see what, there we go. Can you see that there's the author, and let's look for something on cryptocurrency that goes with it, right? So let me do, so you're going to go and look. This is what's going to take you your time. This is how you said your method of finding it's going to be looking through journal articles. Let me go and now take the other article that I gave you, right? Or another article. So I'm going to look for number 2. So the article there is investigating the determinants of cryptocurrency acceptance, a research model and empirical study by Yusuf, 2019. So copy the whole thing, Control C, you go to Google or go to Google Scholar. Let's go to Google first, Control V, and I press enter. Let's see if I find it. It's found no search results. So you modify your search, right? Modify your search. Take out the number 2, take out the full stops, journal of article, put in the title. Let's see if we can find something. There, you see, it says scholarly articles investigating the determinants, right? Let's go and look for that. And you found other articles as well. Can you see it says investigating the adoption factors of cryptocurrencies? Arista, you with me?
Yes, I'm following.
Right, so you can go and pick up on any of those articles as well. So let's just go and click on it, see whether we find something. I'm looking for a PDF now. This is what's going to take you some time, right? So there's an article there. Click on it. 2018. Right. So you found an article and it says access through the Durban University of Technology. Okay. I'm going to access it through. That's where I found it, right? Through DUT. But you said you've also got access. Right. If you need my access, please ask me. I'll give it to you, right? Okay, Dhiren?
Sure, thank you.
Right. Okay, so there we go. I'm looking at it. Now we get it free of charge because we staff and this is my job. Right. So I found the article. Right, there's it, an empirical investigation on the adoption of cryptocurrencies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on view PDF and I'm going to, oh, not that one, sorry, wrong one. There's the article here, there's the article there. I can read all about it, read all about this, and view PDF, and I can download the article, right? So there it is. There's the article there, an empirical investigation on the adoption of cryptocurrencies among mainland people in China. It's 8 pages. So let's download that article. There's the article there. Let's say, right? Tell me when you can't see my screen or not, right? Sometimes it goes a bit faulty. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm
Okay.
going to email that to you. Right, keep your email open. I'm going to attach the PDF. And now what you need to do is you need to go through this article and you see the way it's written. It'll have an abstract, an introduction, a body, conclusion, methodology, all that goes with it, right? So there's the
Okay.
article, Arista. Dhiren, you're going to go through and help out to find other articles like this, right? Okay, so you've got 10 over here. From this 10, you'll get more. You'll get double the amount. You get
Okay.
20. And the issue is you as a researcher need to find out what will apply to your study. Your dad can't do it, I can't do it, your mom can't do it. You are the researcher. You need to go and look through what it is, right? So now I'm going to open up this article. You're going to do it for all 10 like this, right? You're not going to skip tonight. Okay, so here it is. There's the abstract. An abstract gives you a summary of the entire article, what it's about. It'll give you the aim, the objective, or the outcome of the article. It'll tell you the methodology. Remember, you told me you're doing quantitative and qualitative.
No, just quantitative.
Oh, okay, so just quantitative. So now you need to go and look for an article that talks about quantitative, right?
Okay.
And now what the nice thing is about this is at the end of this article, you'll get more references, right? You'll get more references. Look at all these references on cryptocurrency. Remember, I gave you 10 articles. I said you can double that. Each one you can get one. From each of those articles, you can get another 10. Look at your 39 articles. But again, you are the researcher. You need to sift through what would be applicable to your study. Now, remember, I asked you a question, what is the theoretical model that you are using? And you said technology acceptance model. You recall that? Arista?
Yes.
Right. So,
Yes, I do.
good. So now you'll see one of the articles there has to do with technology acceptance model. Right? There's a technology acceptance model perspective. This is a good article to go and find, right? I'm looking at article number 3. So again, you copy it, Control C. You open up Google Scholar or Google for that matter, Control V. Let's just look for an article on the adoption of cryptocurrencies in developing countries. There's it. A technology acceptance model is an important analytical tool. It's in ResearchGate. An exploratory approach to Bitcoin. I'm going to go straight to my library because I know it should be there, right? Right, there it is. Control B. I search for the article. Dhiren, you saw how easy it is now to do research. Okay, right. So let's go. Let me go and define my search. Right. So there's it, adoption of cryptocurrency. I want the full document. I click on full PDF. I can find it, right? Or you can look in Google Scholar. So I go to Google Scholar and I look for the article. Right. Oh, look at that. No. This is adoption of star models. No, it's not that, right? So now we're going to look for the by means of the journal article, or I could look by means of the author. Here's the author. But I'm giving you alternatives how to find the article, because this guy talks about technology acceptance model. All right, let's look if he talks about technology acceptance here. No, add in technology acceptance. Right? Here's it, a technology acceptance model, right? Now you got to find out whether technology acceptance and Bitcoin. There's a cryptocurrency. There we go. There's another article I found, and it's even later than that, 2022. Okay, Can you see how from one article I'm going looking and finding all the others, Arista?
Yes.
Right. Now, once you get the article, there we go. Look at all of this. You can get more from here. You must pick up what themes they are looking for, because that's how you're going to write your literature review. It'll all depend on how you interpret, what lens you see the research as coming out. For instance, are you going to talk about the positives of it, the negatives of it, the financial gains? I don't know. This is not my topic, right? This is yours. Right? So there it is. There it is. And when you read these things, you'll be able to pick up. Look at here, literature review. There's the people that they're talking about, but this is a rather old reference. Technology. Look at all of this. There's a technology acceptance, theories, and literature review. The way this person wrote it is how you must write it, but you must put it in your own words. Otherwise, you'll be caught for plagiarism. So you must talk about technology acceptance refers to this. And if you are quoting somebody, you know how to reference them. There's the reference out there, and you include that in your reference section at the bottom. There's a technology acceptance model. Is a model focusing on how people do this. Remember, I told you, you are writing for someone who doesn't know anything about it. So you will have to explain it to a layman as if you're explaining it to mom and dad. All right. So let's just copy this thing. Any questions? Stop me anytime you want to.
If possible, could you please send me the reference list that you have?
I did. Open up your email. Open up your email. We're doing an online lecture here. I'm doing it as is.
Okay.
Open up your email. Is it there?
Yes. Yeah.
All right.
It's there.
I'm opening up. I'm sending you another one now, right? I'm sending you another one. I'm sending you the article. So I did 2 articles with you. You need to go and search the article, read through it, and something that applies and that's close to your interest and what you want to study.
Okay.
All right. Or research, not study, you're researching this article. All right. Does that help you,
Yes.
Arista?
Yes, it does. Thank you.
Okay, do you have any questions?
Nothing from my side.
Come on, you must. Couldn't have done such a good job that you have no questions at all.
No. I think once I go through the bibliography and I branch out into my themes, I'll be okay.
Right. Dhiren, do you have any questions for me? No, you're welcome, but why give me so late these things? Why so due tomorrow, right? Sorry, I sometimes take a break, you know, it goes. Okay, but you must, if it's important to call me, you're my friend. Of course I'll help you, right? I have all these strangers. Do you have a grip of how to, I'm going to stop this recording. I'll give you I'll upload it as well. Stop recording.